In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create a free online course membership website using free plugins and free theme. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So here is the quick demo of what we are going to create in this video. So here we have our header, we have all courses, our home and our account that students will be able to use as a dashboard. And here we have our big banner, we have call to action button, we have our course categories, and here are the popular courses in our website, and we have a call to action section here. And after this we have our student testimonial. So you can design anything for your landing page, for homepage. And with that, if we go in our all courses page, this is our custom page. We have our courses added here. And if we click on any of these courses, this is the landing page of our course. So you can go ahead and view everything from here. And if we go and start learning, so this will jump directly inside your student dashboard. So this is how the student profile looks. It's only showing the enrolled, active courses and complete courses. So we can go ahead and check that here. This is the enrolled courses for this student. And if any student or any visitor click on all courses, they can go ahead and buy another course or continue learning the already purchased one. So right now they can go ahead and purchase a new one. So they can directly click on add to cart, then click on view cart, and then do the purchase from here. So this is what we are going to build in this video, and we will be using free theme and free plugin. So let's go ahead and dive in our WordPress backend and start creating our online learning website. So here we are in our WordPress backend, and we will start by adding our free plugins and themes, and then we will add our courses, and then we will create the front end of this site. So let's start by adding few plugins. So we go to plugins and then click on add new. And here the first plugin we are going to use is Elementor. So let's click on install and we will activate all of them at the end. After this, we will add WooCommerce so that we can do selling of the courses from our website itself. So let's install this WooCommerce as well. After this, we are going to search for Tutor LMS Elementor. So this is the Tutor LMS that we are going to use to create the courses on this site. And this is the Elementor add-on for this LMS plugin. So we are going to use that to create Elementor pages. And in the end, we are going to install Tutor LMS plugin. So let's go ahead and install this. And after this, we need to go to installed plugins. And here we will select all the plugins that we have installed and then activate all of them. And right now we are at the installation wizard of this Tutor LMS. So let's start. And here it's asking us if we want to create a marketplace or as an individual course creator. So we will choose individual in this case and click on next. Here we have instructor profile. So if you want, you can turn this on or off. We have student profile. So again, you can choose the option here, lesson permanent link. So we will leave it as it is. Let's click on next. And here we will choose courses per page. Maybe 6 is good enough. Let's click on next. And here you can choose the payment for withdrawal. So whatever method you want, you can choose anything from here and you can change that later on. If you are charging commission for hosting someone else's course, you can do the percentage here. So let's finish this setup and let's go in our WordPress dashboard. And now the first thing we need to do is turn on the membership or register anyone option. So we can do that from here itself. Now with that, people will be able to create their account on this site. So we definitely need to do that. So let's enable this. And now the next step is to add a theme. So we will go to appearance and then click on themes. And here we will click on add new and then search for Cadence. So this is Cadence themes, which is very lightweight and very flexible. So we are going to install that and let's click on activate. So now we have our theme as well as our plugins installed and activated. Now we need to do some settings. So we can go to Twitter LMS first and then go to settings. And here the main setting we need to focus is on monetization. And here select e-commerce engine. We need to select WooCommerce and then click on save changes. And once that is done, we can now move on to WooCommerce and go to settings. And here the first thing we need to choose is payments. So you can go ahead and integrate any payment gateway as you like. Right now, just for the sake of this example, we will turn on cash on delivery to see how the transaction goes. So let's click on save changes. After this, we will go to account and privacy. So first we need to make sure that customers can log in the existing account during checkout. After this, allow them to create an account during checkout, and they can also create an account on my account page. So let's save the changes here. Alright, so the next step is to create products in our WooCommerce, and that product will be later on linked to our courses that we will create with Tutor LMS. So first, let's go ahead and create some sample products, and then we will link them with the courses we create with Tutor LMS. So we go to products, and we don't have any products right now, so let's create one. So let's call it management course demo 1, and let's give a little bit of sample text for description. And here we need to choose simple product and then select virtual product because this is going to be a course, and a new option that you see here is for tutor. So we need to select this option here because we are creating this product to link that to our learning management system. Below this, we just need to enter price, and at the very bottom we have product image. So let's add one. Alright, so now let's publish this product, and after this we can go to Tutor LMS to create our new course. And here we need to click on add new, and then we will add the title of this course. So we will name it same as our WooCommerce product. Let's add some description, some excerpt, and at the very bottom we have maximum students. We will leave it 0 so that everybody can register in this. Here you can select the difficulty level, make the course public if you don't want to make it private. And here we have Q&A. So if you want to add a Q&A section, you can do that from here. And the main part here is the add product. Here you need to select the WooCommerce product that we have created. So let's select this. And if you want to make this product as paid that we want, so let's turn this to paid. And now we can add topics and lessons in this course. So here first we will add a topic, and let's add a summary. Let's add the topic, and under this topic we can add lesson. So let's say we add lesson 1. Let's add the content here. You can add video also in this content area, and you can also add feature image, and here you can upload the MP4 file. So let's update this lesson here, and maybe we can add one more. So we will call it lesson number 2. Let's paste some content and let's update the lesson. So now we have demo topic, and under that we have 2 lessons. After this we have additional data information. So you can enter all this detail depending upon your course. The more detail you enter here, it will be visible in the front end in a much better way. So I'm just entering some dummy details here. And at the very end we will add our feature image. So let's select this image again. Alright, so now you can also add some categories. So maybe we can add business as a category. So let's add this, and maybe we can add another category, WordPress, so that we can add a new course in the WordPress category. So we will not select WordPress, we will only select business here. Let's publish this course. And now let's go ahead and quickly create one more course, and we will call it SEO for WordPress. Let's add some text, and let's save a draft here because first we need to add a WooCommerce product. So in the products, let's click on add new, open that in a new tab, SEO for WordPress, same as our course title. Let's add a description and again virtual product for tutor, and we will price it $199, and let's add a product image here. All right, so here we can choose this image. All right, let's publish this product. And now we can come back here in our course page. Let's refresh it once. And here we have some text. So maybe we can fill up all the basic details like we did earlier. And we will leave all the things as it is. And this time we will select our SEO for WordPress product, market paid. Let's add some topic. And let's add a lesson. And maybe we can add a video here. So we are going to use this video here. So this is the playlist of our SEO for WordPress that you can check out on our channel. So let's save this here. And maybe we can add another lesson. Maybe just paste the same video here again. And let's call it lesson number 2. And let's save this again. So now we have 1 topic and 2 lesson here. After this, we can just enter some sample details here, and let's add a feature images here as well. Let's mark this in WordPress and then publish this. So now we have products that we can sell on this site, and these products are linked to our courses that we have added using this LMS plugin. Now here we can see some pages created by WooCommerce as well as our Tutor LMS plugin. So this is the dashboard. So if we look this in the front end, this is our online course dashboard. So here we will be able to see enrolled courses, active courses, and as an instructor, right now it's showing 2 courses. So here is the complete instructor panel. If we go in my courses, here we have 2 courses that we have created. So this is the complete dashboard of our learning management system. So here now we will create our home page first. So let's create add new and let's call it home, and let's publish this page. Let's come back here and maybe we can add 1 more page and we will call it all courses. Let's publish this. And now we can go in our appearance section. We go to menu and here let's call it top menu and select primary. Let's create this menu. And here maybe we can add our home page, all courses page, and dashboard so that we can view our course or our student dashboard. And maybe we can just add these 3 pages here in our menu. And let's save this menu from here. And now we go in our settings and then click on reading. And we will assign our custom page as our home page. Let's save this. Now as we are using Cadence theme, we can now go to appearance and click on customize. So here we can click on header and then click on logo. To select our logo file, we can choose any file from here. Alright, after this we have our navigation menu and here we can select our menu here. We will select this for all the navigations. Let's select this. So let's close this from here and we come back here in our pages. And right now we just open this all courses page and we will edit this with Elementor. Right now we will just add a single column layout and we will scroll at the very bottom. And here is the Twitter LMS blocks that we can see. So right now we just need to use course list. Let's drop it here. And now we see the 2 courses that we have created are listing here. Let's update this. And I think we are using the same image for both courses. Let's update that later on. So we come back here in our LMS. And maybe for SEO for WordPress, we will add a different image. Maybe this one. Alright, so now if we refresh this page, so this is how it looks. So now we have done the basic settings and let's test this site in the front end, and if the transaction goes well, we will be able to do all the purchase and access the course. Then we will start designing our front end. So maybe we can copy this link of our all courses page and open this in a private window. So here is our courses on our all courses page. So let's start by this course, SEO for WordPress, and from the all course pages we can directly add this to our cart. So now we can go to our cart page and click on proceed checkout, and here we can enter our billing details, and if we already have an account we can log in from here. So I have just entered some basic details, and we are using cash on delivery for the payment. So let's place the order for this and see how it works. So let's place the order. So now the order is confirmed, and here at the bottom we can see our product. And now if we go in our dashboard, here we can see our account. We have enrolled in one course. Our active course is added here. And if we go in our enrolled courses, we can see SEO for WordPress here. Right now we have not completed any lesson, so it's showing 0% complete. If we click on start learning, here we can see the topic 1, lesson 1 right now. So here we can go ahead and watch this complete video and then click next, so that it will jump on to the next video, and we can also mark this as complete. So now our course is complete. We can also enter our question here for this course. And if we go back in our dashboard, here we have enrolled courses, and this is 100% complete. So our transaction of courses and our LMS plugin is working perfectly fine. We can now go ahead and start designing our front end. This is our home page. Right now there is no content. This is our all courses page. We have just added 2 courses here, and then we have our dashboard. So let's start by our home page first. So we will create this landing page so that we can showcase our courses here. So let's go back to pages, and here we will click on home. Let's edit this. And first, if we click on this page settings from Cadence, we have header. So we will disable this. Page title, we will disable that as well. Page layout, we will choose full width, and content style will be unboxed, and content vertical padding will be disabled. So let's update this here. And if we open this in the front end right now, this is how it's going to look. It's a complete clean page. Now if we edit this with Elementor, so here we will start by adding a single row column, and we will make it height to minimum height, and we will choose 500 pixel for that. And here we will add a background image. So let's upload an image here, and we will choose the position center, attachment default, repeat, no repeat, size as cover. And now we will add a background overlay. So we will choose a color, and here we will choose a dark blue shade, and let's change the opacity. So this is how it's going to look, and let's update this here. And before we proceed, let's go ahead and assign our global color palette. So here we click on this site setting option here. First we have the global colors. Now the primary or the title is of blue color. We need to change this to our gray. So we will copy this color code from here. After this we have accent. So instead of green, we are going to choose orange shade, like this one. So this is going to be our global color. So after saving this, we can close this site setting, and now we can add some text here for our banner. So maybe adding our heading here. Let's align this to center. We will choose H4. Let's add a text here. We go to style, and for the text color, we will choose our accent color. And for typography, maybe we can choose 18 pixel. And normal as our weight. After this, we will add another heading. align this to center. And this time we will add another text, something like this. Let's go to style, change the text to white, and let's increase the font size a bit. And maybe we can reduce the width of this structure. So let's say we add, or maybe 900 would be good enough. And after this, we will add another text. This time we will keep this as paragraph. Let's add the sample content here, align this to center. And in the style, we will again choose a little bit of white color. And for the typography, we will choose 15 pixel and weight as normal. And after this, we will add our call to action button. So let's drop it here, align this to center. Let's call it all courses. And here we will link our all courses page here. Let's update this. And let's open this in the front end as well. So this is how it's going to look. It's already looking pretty decent now. Now after this, let's add a single row column. If we go in advance, we will add a 100 column margin from top and bottom, or maybe 80 pixel would be good enough. And after this, we will add inner section. And for this, we will add 4 column layout. And let's first add a heading. So we will copy this text from here, and maybe we can paste it here so that it will be on the top. Now let's open our navigator so that we can drop on the top. So we can drag it here. So now this text will be on the top, and we can change this text to course category. And maybe we can change this to p tag. And now in these 4 columns, we can add different images as our call to action. So let's copy this heading again here. Let's paste below this, and we don't need this big size. And let's change the text here, and let's reduce the size. So 39 would be good enough. And here in the 4 column, let's start by adding our image. So maybe we can choose any image from here. And after this, we will add a text. So let's drop here a text. We will choose paragraph, align this to center. And maybe we can write development. And for this column, we go to style. And here we will add a solid border, and width will be 1 pixel. Color will be light gray, and border radius will be 10 pixel. And below this we have box shadow. Let's add this here, and let's reduce the opacity of this shade, something like this. So for the horizontal, we will keep it 0, and for the vertical, we will keep 2. Let's update this. So here are the final categories. We can go ahead and link this text or this image to our category of courses. So let's say we change the text here to WordPress, and for this one, we will change this to management, and this one to crypto, something like that. So we can link these to our courses that we have created, and this is how it's going to look in the front end. And now let's go ahead and duplicate this, and here instead of this, we are going to add our main courses. So we will add text something like this, and maybe we can change this text to uppercase. Let's update this, and now we will add our courses list here. So we scroll down, and here is the course list widget from the LMS plugin. So right now we only have 2 courses, that's why it's showing 2 here. And after this, let's add a 2 column layout, and here we go to style and click on the color. So maybe we can choose this strong text color from our theme, and here we will add a padding of 50 pixel from the top, 50 from the bottom. On the left hand side we will add image like this. Let's upload an image here, maybe this one, and here maybe we can copy this text from here and paste in this, align this to left, and let's call it limited time offer. And maybe we can copy this text again, paste it here, and we will change the color to white, and the content will be something like this. So let's increase the line height a bit, and maybe we can duplicate this and enter a little bit of text and turn that to paragraph. And if we go in style, for the typography we will choose 16 pixel, and let's make it default and weight as normal. And let's copy this button from here and paste it below this, align this to left, and this time we will call this button to enroll now. Let's update this and let's see how it looks in the front end. So on the very top we have this title, we have our banner, categories, our courses, and below this we have our sales banner. So after this let's add another column, and we go to advanced, let's add 50 pixel margin, and this time we will add testimonial. So we will add a testimonial block, and maybe we can add this in 3 columns, and for all the column we will add padding of 20 pixel, and here we can enter the testimonial. So we will leave the sample text here, we will upload the image, something like this. So we are just using some sample image here. Above this let's add our title, so maybe we can choose the content from here. So we add 100 pixel from here, and maybe we can remove this 50 pixel margin from here, and let's copy this text from here, and we will come back and paste it here, and this time we will call it something like this. And here we have our testimonials, so maybe we can reduce the font size a little bit, something like 18 pixel, and make them to italic. Let's update this, and let's copy from here and paste the style in the rest. Let's update this, and we are done here. If we go in our all courses page, which looks a pretty much flat design here, so let's go ahead and update this, and here we will choose the default layout, and let's enable our title, and here we will have unboxed structure, and let's update this here. So this is our all courses page. Let's customize this a little bit more. So we click on customize here, and if we go in page layout, we go in design. If we scroll down, here we have page title background. We will add image here. Let's select an image. So maybe we will choose this image that we have in our banner, and again we will choose no repeat, size as cover, and below this we have background overlay color. So here we will choose a gradient. For the color, maybe we can dim down this opacity here, and same for the blue, we will choose a little bit this shade, so maybe we can choose a darker version. And for the page title color, we will choose white. Let's publish this. So now this looks much better, and if we click on Elementor editor, here we can add some padding on the top and bottom. So maybe we can select this, we go to advanced, and maybe we can add 100 pixel padding here, and maybe we can add some sample text below this. So maybe we can drop a heading here, and after this we have a text editor. So maybe we can choose the sample text. So now we have added one more course here, and below this we have our sample text. So now this page looks much better. And one last thing is to add some custom footer here. So again, we can go to customize, and as we are using Kadence theme, it comes with a footer customizer as well. So let's click here in the footer. Here we can customize our copyright settings. If you don't want to show anything, you can remove this here, or maybe you can add some widgets. So right now we will add some social media icons, something like this, and we will give a background color. So we go to design, and the bottom row background, maybe we can choose this light gray shade or something like this. Let's publish this here. So you can go ahead and add any widgets here and create your own custom footer. So this is the best part of Kadence, that you can design your custom header and footer. So this is how easy it is to create online course website using free plugins and free themes.
If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.